I'm gonna record you, just you. I wanna see this. Oh, what was that? No, it has to hit the court. Listen, Hadley boys, if you're watching this, paddle tournament winners, me and Pete, don't care what you say, goal difference counts. But yeah, just finished a little paddle tournament with the boys, 8 of us, played each other once each, won 2 sets, and then lost to the first one to Eisenville. Yeah, we're not going to talk about that one, but yeah. Anyway, that's the first bit done today. Paddle tournament on a Sunday, so that was literally 1 hour and a half. And then later on we'll just do a little active walk, because technically I'm meant to do 2 workouts, so I'm not going to do too much, otherwise I ain't going to be able to move. And we got a game Tuesday night and gym tomorrow, probably cycle in the evening, because I was meant to do a run, but light intensity. Anyway, Sunday, taking it more as an enjoyable sort of rest day. But yeah, paddle winners, me and Pete, we're taking that one home. Let's have it. So let's go, 35 today, let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sunday rest day, as they say. I wouldn't say that, but just out on my second workout of the day, going for a 45-minute walk. Haven't got the weighted vest yet, so I've got my backpack on. Just gonna go up to the coffee shop, do some work there. So I thought, you know what, second workout, let me get a weighted walk in, a little bit of active recovery, less cardio. And this morning we smashed out a little paddle tournament as well. So 2 workouts done. I need to catch up on my water. I'm only about 2.5 litres down because I didn't have any big water bottles, and I smashed my water bottle yesterday, so we got some catching up to do there. Need to read as well, but no, aside from that, progress photos done, good food, had a nice little omelette. Didn't record it, which is annoying, but that was really good. Chicken, cheese and spinach, and had a couple coffees. And aside from that, haven't really eaten much today. But yeah, Sunday, day 7, week almost done. Bosh. Sometimes just keep it simple. Roasted chicken, a load of mixed veg, and a sourdough baguette. Nutrition is simple sometimes. Just chuck it in the oven, let it do its magic, and get the nutrients and the protein after.